Hello. Hello. Uh, hello everyone. This is Team Fsociety. So instead of just reciting the problem statement, we would like to show you a short video. So this video shows a very large communication gap. So last month we visited a school of children who were verbally impaired and verbally disabled. So there, in the last video that we watched, there were two girls that were communicating with each other very perfectly and effectively. But the problem is that the normal person like us can't understand what they are speaking. So the disability doesn't lies between them because they can communicate with each other. The problem is in us, means the normal person like us, because we can't understand their way of communication. So their silence was the problem and the technology is the solution. There was also a survey created by World Health Organization in 2014 that states that there are tons of millions of people who are verbally impaired, and in India over 63 million people live with hearing disability. Now here is a question for you. Can you guess that how many percentage of the normal people can understand sign language? Any guesses, sir? So it's really shocking that it's less than 1%. This creates a communication gap affecting billions of people. So to solve this major problem, we have created a science week. So what we have made is a communication device which translates sign language into output non-signers can understand. Now before telling you about what the tech we have used, first let's watch a demo video of this project.
Yes. We. Team. F. Society.
So now moving forward to the what hardware we have used. We have used two types of sensors. The first is the flex. The first is the flex sensor, and the another one is the MPU6050. The flex sensor works on the principle of the resistance, and all the four flex sensors are mounted on each finger so that it will detect the gesture accordingly. So moving forward to the MPU6050. MPU6050 is the integration of the accelerometer and gyroscope that can detect your hand movement and hand gesture. So we have also made it wireless so that the user can wear it and can translate any gesture in the world. So this is the all-wire framework that how the connections are made in this project. Hello. So this is the flow diagram. So we start with the hardware as Yash mentioned. We get values from the flex sensors and the MPU5060. We have four flex sensors, and MPU6050 is the values of accelerometer and gyroscope. Three value each, all the axes, X, Y, Z. So they are raw data which are then processed through ASP32, and then via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi they are sent to our model. So what we have done is that we have created our own data set about the given values. For each gesture we have 1000 values, and then we first clean the data, the raw data, and remove all the noises, and then pass it through our random forest model. We train it the accuracy of 97%, and then we get a predicted word. Later the word is passed through our Gemini. So what Gemini does is that it collects the output and forms a meaningful sentence, which is natural and communicative for human language. And then later it is passed to text to speech, which gives an audio output through app.
Hey, just wanted to be mindful of the time because we have spent more than half. Can you just show us the demo of the real product?
Sir, the earlier video was the demo. I have also one video I have created. I'll just show you.
I mean, as a video, do you have the actual glove that the sign things and able to translate? And can you just show that?
May I turn on the camera? this is the sir, for quick explanation, I also have a video. It's an animated video.
Maybe you can show it together, that's fine because they are physically there.
This is Ara. He wants to talk to his friends, but his voice doesn't come out. Even when he tries, no one can hear what he wants to say. One day, Ara receives a special gift, the Sign Speak Smart Glove. When Ara moves his hand, something amazing happens. The glove understands his sign and turns it into a word. Each gesture adds a new word. Slowly, his message begins to take shape, one sign at a time. The words come together, forming a complete sentence. Ara can finally express himself clearly. Now the sentence is sent to Gemini AAI, and Gemini understands the meaning behind the words and prepares natural speech.
Hello, my name is Zara.
Gemini turns the meaning into a clear, natural voice, and for the first time, the phone speaks for Ara.
So now moving forward to the sustainability, the solution like this only matter if it can exist outside the presentation. So we have made this product with the end user in mind to prioritize comfort, accessibility and usefulness. This question begged us a lot. How do we still alive without limiting accessibility? So the answer for this, we found we through partners, we can do the partnership and licensing deals with NGOs, government and organizations, which allows for bulk adoption and institutional support. Accessibility will never be favored. More personalized feature can be added via premium models. So looking ahead, our focus is to make this solution smarter, faster. So currently we have a latency of 10 to 15 milliseconds, which is actually good, but we have to make it more faster. As you see the earlier video, the girls were talking to each other in a very fast language. So yeah, we have to match it. And next is that for remote areas, India is a country of diverse language. So we need to add more language to it. Also, each language has its different signs. So also we have to work on it. And our end goal is to make it deploy for public services. And also for the people who also apply for jobs and they can't really apply for it due to the reason that they can speak. So yeah, it's actually beneficial for them. So this is our main website where all the stuff are made, that it recognizes the word and the AI sentence gives a full gesture. So currently I'm not able to show it because we have worked on it on a home network which I have set on 2.5 gigahertz band. But for now this college network has 5 gigahertz band. So yeah, this is our so we are now
Do you have a recording kind of where it shows not just the hardware tool that I have, but the dashboard that I have and it showing the full feature kind of a demo. But I think the one that you showed previously was just the glove and just the sign, but I wanted to see the dashboard in action as well.
Yes, sir. Is it visible?
Yeah, very visible. Yeah.
So this is the dashboard and so this is the dashboard and the code part.
Actually, you made it not available on Google Meet now, so you will have to present at both places the present code. Yeah. Awesome, please carry on.
Okay. So sir, this is the dashboard part, and currently this is our training data set, which is for hello. One second. Okay. So for hello, for one gesture we have 1,000 samples taken. So So we have in total 7 to 8 gesture in our data sets like hello, I am Yash. So for hello is different, I is different, M is different, Yes is different. And also for we are Fsociety, team Fsociety. So it's different for everyone. So actually it just gives the output, and the next part is for the Gemini API.
How many different sign languages, like, do you know that there are different sign languages? How many can it sign?
So we are working on currently American Sign Language.
Do you know any distinct sign languages exist?
No, actually, when we did a survey in our native town, Dhule, actually we visited the school, and yeah, actually they have the syllabus in Marathi. So the teachers teach them in the Marathi language because they have their mother tongue, so it's easier for them to study. But for our stuff, we have done it using American Sign Language. But we have talked with the principal for if we have to print further data sets, like we have to start from the Vyanjans word for Marathi people.
How much time did it take you to make the hardware?
It depends on number of people, sir. Means if we have more number of people, we can train it much faster. And also we have taken the interview of the principal. The video is available on the YouTube. We will show it to you.
So are you talking about the hardware? What time it takes? Hello.
Okay, over to others for questions.
He was talking about manufacturing time.
Manufacturing means this prototype is only made in 2 hours.
So actually, I'm from CS and he's from mechanical. So actually, this is one prototype and we made it earlier. But due to some flex sensor issues, we ordered it in a native place Dhule. But there was issue with the flex sensor. But we already then later we bought in Pune and it was fine. So this is our only working prototype right now. And yeah, he knows all the logic about the circuits, resistors, and everything.
We were also highlighted in TV9 Marathi about this. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.